We are going to start the shell scripting session. This is session 2. Yesterday we had session 1. So in this session we are going to cover programming the shell part 2 miscellaneous example scripts. So we are going to discuss for loop, while loop, until loop, while condition, do, command 1, command 2 and done. This is the while loop construct. Example, I is equal to 1 while I less than 10, do echo I is equal to $I, let I plus plus, done echo now I is equal to $I. Using while loop, create a script to retrieve 14 arguments and print them in the following format. Argument 1 is equal to argument 2 is equal to. So we have a script for that. So we can run this script. This is argument.sh. So vi arguments.sh and then the script. Okay, this is a script. Now let's run this. A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, J. Arguments.sh./arguments. Such file address. /arguments.sh A B C D E F G H I J. Okay, now it should work. So there you go. So we have 10 arguments. Example of a for and while loop. So this is example of while loop. This is the structure. While count less than dollar hash will give you the number of arguments. Then we are printing the argument is $count. So this is example. Read from a file and display line. So this is another example. Cat who.txt. So we must have a file with the who.txt. So let's say we create a file who redirect it to who.txt. So we have a file who.txt. Now we will create vi file line by line. File line by line .sh, and we take this. See. So that's not okay. Remote 777 file line by line dot slash file line by line sh. So these are the two lines in the who.txt. So that is pretty printed here. So if we see vi who.txt, so these are the two lines that is getting printed in our program. Okay, so that is this one. Next is palindrome or not. Check a number whether it's palindrome or not. So we check a number, and this is the logic where it determines whether the number is palindrome or not. So you can see this. Until condition, do, done, until condition, end condition, until example, until $end condition, we until loop example, my string is equal to $1, length of my string count is equal to 0, while count equal length count plus equal to 1, char equal to cut minus b dollar count echo char. So this is an example of until loop. Then there is an example of break and continue. Break. This is an example of break using break. We can use a break in a loop, and also we can use a continue in a loop. We can use a continue. Break will break out of the loop and continue will move to the next iteration of the loop. Okay. Then we have case and ESAC. This is a case example. So enter a number between 1 and 10, read the number, and case num equal to num in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. So whatever you enter, it will echo that. And the construct is case ESAC. Redirection. So here the standard input is replaced by candid.text. So the input will be taken from candid.text. So this is how redirection is occurring with the exec command. So this is how redirection happens. So instead of standard input, it will take the input from the file. Then there is a getops example. Script minus a minus b value minus d value. This is a usage. So getops is another example of reading options and argument passed to a script. Functions, we can have functions within shell script. So example of function, to uppercase, this is a function, it's translate using the tr command. All lower cases are translated to upper cases. So you received a name, you can change it back. So let's run this. Func.sh, vi func.sh. We'll go to the first line, and instead of KSH, it should be only SH. And that's it. So I type my name in small letters, name in uppercase, so it's converting the name to uppercase by using a function. As you can see, there is a function to upper, and that function is being used here to uppercase. Okay, that's our function. Command grouping, Error handling example. Minus E, if you give the option minus E, it will handle the error. So let's run this. Error hand.sh, PIER hand.sh. Okay. So what this script is doing? So first line. Okay, if I run this, so it says command not found. So it will continue to execute till it finds the error, and then it will print the error. So Terminator Script when error handling, handle and interrupt. We can use trap command to signal list all signals. Trap action. This will delete the file xydpid.pid before exiting. So you can trap command. So before exiting the script, it will execute this command, whatever you write in trap. So it terminates a script when error occurs, handle and interrupt. Trap command is used when you want to terminate the script but execute some command. So thank you for listening. So we have completed the shell scripting, shell programming sessions. Thank you.